This is the official welcome to part 3 of the Lockdown Chronicles. So today, we had a bad start to the morning. We are 4 days in, and already the battery was flat. So yeah, I don't know how that's gonna go for the next 18 or so days. But anyway, I just wanted to officially welcome you back to the Free Flow World Chronicles channel. Today, I'm focusing on something a little bit different, something a little bit more interesting. We are going to be focusing on this Chevrolet Captiva. It's a 2013 Chevrolet Captiva 2.4 LT. So now, as you can hear, look, there's no sound. That's the point. So we're going to be messing around with the exhaust, trying to see if we can get a little bit of a note out of it. You know, not necessarily straight pipe it, but we're gonna go through all the options that are there on this exhaust. So I'll show you in a moment just what I mean. But stay tuned. Should be an interesting video. This is what we're gonna do. I'm going to give you guys a couple of clips of how the normal exhaust. What I've done so far, I have managed to spray down all the bolts and the entire exhaust system, just in case you need to take them apart, because of the heat over time they hold very tight. So yeah, I've sprayed them down. I used ordinary penetrating oil. So yeah, I got this at Midas. So it seems to work very well so far, so I definitely recommend it. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you the entire exhaust system of a Chevrolet Captiva, all the way from the front, from the exhaust manifold, all the way to the back. At the back, this is the left hand side muffler / exhaust box. It's a very big bad boy, because this car has two. This is the right hand side, so yeah, it's a decently quiet car. So that's the spare wheel, and then yeah, that's basically the whole exhaust from front to back. So what we're going to do now, we're going to start with the back. We're going to disconnect those bolts over there and those bolts on that side, and then have this completely disconnected. Then we see how much of a difference in sound that makes, and I'll take it from there. Stay tuned. So we are underneath the car. So this is what I was talking about. This is the primary catalytic converter. The sensor, this should be the secondary sensor, sitting right here. So there's another one at the top of the catalytic converter, so that one should be the primary sensor. So as we move down, you'll see that there is a flex pipe. So next is the flex pipe, and then there is the secondary catalytic converter. Okay. I'm not sure why this car has 2 catalytic converters, but yeah, I don't think this one is as effective as the primary, but I stand corrected. Then we have the very big muffler right there. That's one very big silent boy. Yeah, not my best friend. So unfortunately that one does not have any bolts like the cat, so we can't exactly disconnect it, if it makes sense. But anyway, from there is the last 2 boxes, so I'm gonna go all the way to the back and show you there. Okay, so the last 2 are done. As you can see, it's open over there, and it's also open over there. So let's crank it up and hear how she sounds like. Really excited. Not too bad. It's still quiet, but I can hear a few pops and crackles while I'm driving it, which is not bad. I mean, it is kind of a small upgrade, but let's go all out. Let's see how crazy she can get. So here's what we're gonna do now. I'm going to disconnect the exhaust, the next possible connection, which is just after the secondary cat. So I'll show you right now and remind you where exactly that is. So this is where we're going to disconnect it. There's 3 volts, and then it should qualify as a straight pipe. So by a straight pipe means it's not going to have an exhaust all from the cat going back. So we're going to hear how that sounds in a moment. That is ridiculously loud. Like, the throttle is not even halfway, it's already popping. It is a big engine. guessing it's dumping a lot of fuel in there. That explains the fuel consumption. It's crazy. So yeah, that sounds interesting. I'm tempted to take it for a drive, but it's obnoxious. It sounds too loud. That makes sense. I need to kind of find a middle ground. And besides, if I'm to keep the note, it would mean I'd have to get a full custom straight pipe exhaust all the way to the back. Eliminate the back box, the middle box, and the two back boxes. So today we're all about finding the cheapest way to get a note that's in the middle. I have a few ideas, but yeah, let's give it 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, I'm sure you guys will agree with me from the previous clip. That is too much exhaust sound for a daily driver, so it needs to go down. So now I need to find a way to make it go down. The only thing I can think of right now is decatting it. So by decat I mean hollow out the secondary catalytic converter. So what that should do is give it a little bit more bass, but at the same time I'm not 100% sure that is going to work with the full exhaust connected. So yeah, hey, why not? Let's go for it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to take out the rest of the catalytic converter, the one we just disconnected. We're gonna have to take it out, and then once it's off the car, we'll hollow it out. So by hollow it out, take out all the material in the middle, put it back, and then yeah, the test of time is gonna tell. So hopefully that gives us the best result. Yeah, man. Hey, you live once, right? Okay, so stay tuned. I'm going to go back down, and then I'm going to disconnect the catalytic converter, the secondary catalytic converter. And because I noticed there's no sensor around the secondary catalytic converter, it might not make much of a difference in terms of getting in the check engine light. Yeah, and all that. So yeah, let's do it. Of a catalytic converter looks like. It's all mesh. It's all mesh. Kind of restricting. Not too restricting though, but because I can see the mesh is not all that bad. But hey, what harm can you do? And besides, this should definitely increase the power. Yeah, we're gonna need like dino runs to prove that statement.